The One UI 7 upgrade for the Samsung Galaxy A35 is a game-changer, delivering a host of features and refinements that elevate the smartphone experience to a whole new level. Samsung has focused on creating a seamless and intuitive interface, starting with a modernized design that is both visually appealing and functional. Dynamic widgets now adapt to your usage patterns, intelligently displaying relevant information throughout the day, such as calendar events, weather updates, or activity stats. Customization options are more expansive than ever, allowing users to personalize their home screen, lock screen, and even notification panel with greater precision. Performance is another area where One UI 7 shines, as it brings significant under-the-hood optimizations that enhance the responsiveness of the Galaxy A35. Whether it's launching apps, switching between them, or playing games, users will notice smoother multitasking and reduced lag. The update also leverages the A35's hardware to provide a faster and more energy-efficient experience, ensuring the device keeps up with your daily demands without compromising battery life. Security and privacy are at the forefront of One UI 7, offering users greater control over their data. A new privacy dashboard provides a clear and user-friendly overview of permissions granted to apps, making it easy to manage and revoke them as needed. Advanced features like temporary permissions and clipboard security ensure that your personal information is always protected. For photography enthusiasts, the camera experience has been revamped with a more intuitive interface and smarter features. Enhanced scene recognition and AI capabilities allow users to capture stunning photos effortlessly, while improved quick toggles make switching between modes and settings faster and more straightforward. Video recording benefits from stability improvements, ensuring smooth and professional quality footage. Moreover, Samsung has included accessibility enhancements to cater to a diverse range of users. With advanced voice guides, screen adjustments, and gesture controls, One UI 7 ensures that the Galaxy A35 is more inclusive than ever. The update also integrates tighter connectivity with Samsung's ecosystem, allowing seamless interaction with other devices like Galaxy Buds, smartwatches, and SmartThings appliances. In essence, One UI 7 transforms the Galaxy A35 into a powerhouse of productivity, creativity, and entertainment. It's not just an upgrade, it's a reimagining of what a mid-range smartphone can do, ensuring that A35 users feel like they're holding a flagship-level device in their hands. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone who relies on their phone for everyday tasks, this update is guaranteed to impress.